Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to our channel, where we make your travel dreams a reality, especially for our seasoned travelers. Today we're diving into some tried and true travel hacks tailored specifically for seniors. Whether you're planning a grand adventure or a tranquil retreat, these tips will ensure your journey is as smooth as possible. Let's start with packing. Did you know that the average traveler carries about 20% more weight in their luggage than necessary? For seniors, packing light isn't just convenient, it's essential. Opt for lightweight luggage with wheels and prioritize versatile clothing that you can mix and match. Consider using packing cubes to organize and compress your belongings, making them easier to access and reducing clutter. Now, in this digital age, technology is your best friend. Around 73% of senior travelers use smartphones to enhance their travel experience. Download essential apps before you go. Some popular ones include Google Maps for navigation, TripIt for organizing your itinerary, and Words Without Borders for language assistance. These tools can make navigating a new place a breeze. Let's talk about airport security. It can be daunting, but with a few strategies, it doesn't have to be stressful. Arrive early to give yourself ample time. If standing for long periods is an issue, remember that most airports offer assistance services. Pre-arrange wheelchair services if needed, and consider applying for TSA pre-check. This allows you to skip the long lines and keep your shoes and jackets on. Cultural experiences are the heart of traveling. Trying local cuisine is a must, but dietary needs can sometimes be a concern. Research restaurants in advance and look for those that accommodate dietary restrictions. Don't hesitate to communicate your needs to the staff. In many places, they're more than willing to adjust dishes to suit your health requirements. Finding comfortable and affordable accommodation can be one of the biggest challenges. According to a recent survey, 60% of senior travelers prioritize comfort over cost. But who says you can't have both? Websites like Airbnb and Booking.com offer filters for senior-friendly accommodations, ensuring you find places with elevators, non-slip mats, and other amenities that make your stay comfortable. Consider guided tours and excursions. These not only provide insightful information about the destination, but also relieve you of the logistics. Many tour companies offer senior discounts, so don't forget to inquire. Group tours can also be a great way to meet fellow travelers and share experiences. When planning your itinerary, pace yourself. One of the most common mistakes is trying to do too much in too little time. Allocate rest days and choose activities that match your energy levels. Remember, the joy of travel is not just in seeing new places, but in experiencing them at your own pace. Health and safety should always be a priority. Make sure your travel insurance covers all your needs, including medical emergencies. Bring along a basic first aid kit and keep medications in their original containers. Keep a list of emergency contacts and local emergency numbers handy. Lastly, embrace the journey. Traveling is not just about the destination, but the experiences along the way. Engage with locals, try new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Statistically, 80% of senior travelers report feeling more fulfilled and happier after a trip. The beauty of traveling lies in its ability to broaden our horizons and enrich our lives. Yet one of the greatest dilemmas many travelers face is finding an affordable place to stay. But fear not, dear viewers. We've got you covered! Check out the links in the description below to discover the best places to stay at the top travel destinations, all at budget-friendly prices. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these tips inspire you to embark on your next adventure with confidence and excitement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more travel tips and ideas. Safe travels!